channel. I'm Astrid. In this video, we will make DIY paper animals made of heart-shaped colored paper. Before we start, and the materials we're gonna use are one scissor, a marker, glue, and most of all, colored paper. We have here different colors. So guys, before recording this video, I already made pre-cut heart shapes of colored paper, like this. And this is the half heart. This is the yellow heart. This is the blue hearts. This is the orange half-cut heart. All of the shapes are heart. So in this video, we will be making 5 kinds of animals. Number 1 is the bunny. Number 2 is the bee. Number 3 is the fox. Number 4 is the dog. And last but not the least, number 5 is the fish. Okay guys, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button in front of your screen to get more video updates from my channel. So guys, before we start pasting these heart-shaped animals, I already have a video that's related to this. The title is How to Make Paper Bag Puppet Animals. Just check the video and search the video in my channel. Okay, let's get back to this video. Because we already have a pre-cut heart shapes, all we have to do is paste all the correct pieces to the right animals. Okay, are you ready to start?
Yes!
Let's begin! So guys, first we will make the bunny. First heart shape is white and pink, the half heart. Gonna put it here. Put the paste here. So I've added one ear to the bunny. Now the next one. Let's put again the glue there. Just small amount of glue is enough. Next, we'll do the eyes. Let's put glue again there. We got one eye and we'll put another eye. There. Okay guys, I've put the eyes for the bunny. Next, let's add the teeth. Next, let's add the nose. Ta-da! Let's add the eyelash. Next, let's add the whiskers. Ta-da! So this is now the bunny heart-shaped animal. Okay, next, let's do the bee. So, we are done with the bee. Next is the fox. So guys, I'm done making the fox. Next is the dog. Okay guys, I'm done making the dog. Next, last but not the least, the fish. Ta-da! Okay guys, I'm done making the fish. So guys, I'm done making all of the animals. This is the fish. It has a red body, a blue mouth, a fin, and a tail. All of the heart shapes are blue. Next is the bee. So this is the bee. These are the bodies. The body is the hearts is yellow, black, yellow, and black. And the antenna is the same thing. And the wings are blue hearts, and the eyes I just drawn it. Next is the dog. It has orange ears, orange nose, white mouth, and the face is shaped like a heart. Next is the bunny. The bunny has a white face and a white and pink ears. The nose is pink and the teeth is white. It's also heart shaped. The eyes are black and the eyelash I just drawn. Also the whiskers. Next, last but not the least, the fox. The face is orange heart. The ears are white and orange. Same thing as for the other ear. His face, half heart, and the eyes are circled. And the nose, black, round nose. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!